Hey there, fellow gardening enthusiasts. Today, I'm going to share with you some mind-blowing gardening tips and tricks that will take your green thumb to the next level. Buckle up, because we're about to dive into a world of incredible facts and secrets that will transform your garden into a blooming oasis. Please let us and others know in the comments what your tricks and tips are while gardening. Did you know that planting marigolds alongside your vegetable patch can naturally repel a variety of pests? Marigolds release a strong fragrance that keeps insects away. It's like a natural pest control system for your garden. Plus, they add a pop of vibrant color too. Next up, let me tell you about the incredible benefits of using cinnamon in your garden. Sprinkling cinnamon powder on your plant's soil can help prevent fungal and bacterial growth, ensuring healthy roots and more robust plants. It's an all-natural and cost-effective solution to keep your precious plants disease-free. Have you ever heard of companion planting? It's a fascinating technique where you strategically plant compatible crops alongside each other to maximize yield and repel pests naturally. For example, planting basil near your tomato plants can enhance their flavor and deter unwanted insects. It's like having your own little garden army defending your crops. Now, what if I told you that you could make your fertilizer at home using kitchen waste? It's true. By composting your leftover fruit and vegetable peels, coffee grounds, and eggshells, you can create a nutrient-rich concoction that will nourish your plants without spending a dime. It's not only budget-friendly, but environmentally friendly too. Lastly, let's talk about seed saving, a technique that ensures you'll never have to buy seeds again. It's as simple as allowing your plants to go to seed and collecting them for future planting. Not only does this save you money, but it also empowers you to preserve rare and heirloom varieties for generations to come. So, there you have it. A treasure trove of gardening tips and tricks that will give your garden that extra boost it needs. From marigolds keeping pests away to cinnamon preventing diseases and companion planting for better yields, these hacks will turn your garden into a thriving paradise. Remember, gardening isn't just a hobby. It's a way to connect with nature and bring life to your surroundings. So, roll up your sleeves, grab that shovel, and let these facts guide you on your gardening journey. Your beautiful oasis awaits. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for all your health-related questions, and I will see you in the next video.